Okay, this bracket here is from the LMR 6R80 shifter lever kit. So you take your factory 1S2 10mm bolts, put the supply bolts in, and then we're going to adjust this later for the stop so you don't go past drive. Next, we're going to pull the factory lever out and put the LMR kit in. Just wiggle it back and forth and it pops off. Okay, now you can see I got the LMR bracket in. They give you a supplied nut to screw on. I am going to put a little Loctite right there. Okay, so this shifter stop bracket's in. I have it loose so I can adjust it once I put the rod from here to here. Okay, so if you look at that clip, that top part slides on to the bracket, and then it pushes onto that stud. Down here I have the LMR parts, just a washer and a nut. So we're gonna align the shifter with the parking cable lever from the trans. All right, I had this backwards bracket, a little tab goes towards the transmission. So then you bolt it up. Hey, go to drive. And if you look, it's got a tiny little gap up there that won't let you actually go past drive. And there it is, that's how it's all hooked up. So you need a 13mm for here and here, a 10mm for here and here, and a factory shifter. Okay, that's it, everything's done with the shifter install. Also for the transmission lines. So we got the cooler mounted in the back. The overhead line is going to come here with a 180. We're going to do the same here. So all this will be hidden behind the bumper. That's it.